Good morning and welcome to a new episode of Draw With Us. I am Sam.
I'm Emmie.
And today we're gonna draw
a camera.
Perfect, let's go.
Okay, so first we're gonna start with the casing.
The casing, okay.
So we're gonna draw a rectangle. It's almost like a square. Okay, so then we're gonna do shutter button, and we're gonna draw one line, another line, like another rectangle. But you don't need to do
So for the younger ones who watch us, the shutter button is actually the button you press when you want to snap a picture.
Yeah. Now let's do the eye.
Yes?
Okay, so we're gonna.
So it's actually the lens of the camera.
Yeah.
But in our case, it will be the eye.
Yeah, cause we're just gonna make him like he's alive. So we're gonna do one circle and another circle around, or you can do it inside if it's too big. Then we're gonna do the eye. So we're gonna do one white circle, a big one, and a little circle that we're gonna color in. Okay, so now maybe we should do the visor.
Yes, the visor. It's the little
It's
things that you point the camera and you
yeah.
put your eyes in it.
It's actually this little thing. You like take pictures. Okay, so now we're gonna do it. So we're gonna do another bigger rectangle and another little rectangle in it. That's where you look. Okay, maybe we should do, what would you do?
The mouse?
Yeah. So we're gonna do a line
I'll do a big mouse. Like
like
that.
this, and then you do little lines on the side. Okay, maybe we should do the arms.
Yes.
So we're gonna do two lines that are a little bit curved, and he's gonna do like this.
Oh, okay. Yeah, good. It's like in real life when you take a picture, usually you make big move like that with your arms so that people watch at you and smile.
So we're gonna do a little bounce, a little U, a rainbow shape, then another line in a rainbow shape. And then there's your two fingers like this. So you do another bump like this, and then you do a line. And there's your other finger doing like this. You just do a curve.
Yes, funny. On the other side?
Yeah, so we're gonna do still two curves. He's just gonna do like this, opening his head. Like this.
So you have four fingers, like all the drawings and
One.
cartoons usually. Okay.
Yeah. And a straight line and a bump. Another straight line and a bump. And another straight line and a bump. A little line because it's separating. No, but that's thumb. We're gonna do. Okay, so now, the legs. So we're gonna curve it a little bit because he's gonna a little bit fold his legs. Or you can.
It's like the cowboys.
Yeah. Like this. Then I'm gonna do a little line. Like this. Okay.
I feel like doing maybe a hat.
Yeah. So we're gonna do a rainbow shape and another little rainbow shape, and then we're gonna do a curved line a little bit and curve it. And here, imagine it's passing here, and then you connect it like this.
Oh, that's nice.
And then I'm gonna do red and yellow and white, so I'm doing lines like this.
Okay, I'll do it slightly differently because an idea came up to my mind, and I want to do like a little piece of hair.
Yeah, so
like maybe like this.
Yeah.
That's the piece of hair.
And then you do
And
your hat.
And the hat. So I'll do something simple like you, but in the opposite side. So maybe just here, and the top like here, and the line.
Yeah. Okay. So now we should color it.
Yeah, I think we're good now. So let's fast forward and color it.
Let's go. And here we go.
And here we go. A nice little camera.
Yeah.
What do we do now?
Sign it. Like this is a good souvenir.
It's a good souvenir for when you will be a grown-up.
Yeah.
And voila! If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and don't forget to tag us on Instagram with Draw With Us hashtag and share your drawings with us. See you in the next week.
Bye.